Hello. Red color, purple color, light green color, black color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, dark blue color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A for avocado. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for head. I for ink. J for jar. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nurse. O for ox. P for pen. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for sun. T for train. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for wax. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zipper. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.